What's up, everybody? It's me, Brandon Green, owner of Gold Element Autoworks. Oh my goodness, I have so much going on right now. All day long, I've been dealing with customers. I have cars coming in, a couple SLs from out of town. I have one that just got dropped off from South Carolina, and another one on the way. It'll be here in about an hour from Indiana. I just got finished dealing with one from Florida a few days ago. Before that, Texas. Before that, Indiana. I have another potential, maybe from New York. I have another one from Oklahoma that'll be coming. I mean, this is crazy. I mean, they're coming from all over the place. And so, not only am I dealing with the customers who have bought the coilovers who want me to do the installation, I'm also dealing with customers who have bought the coilovers and they're having somebody else do the installation. I have ones who are reaching out to me from the West Coast who need a shop that can do it for them because they don't want to pay for it to be shipped here to Ohio. So I'm there to help those ones as well. Also, the shops themselves are calling me directly, asking for assistance. Now, even though I'm not, doing the coilover conversion, I'm here to assist those who are doing the coilover conversions themselves personally, and shops who need such assistance. So I've been very, 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 very busy. I'm moving a lot of cars around right now, waiting for this next one to arrive. And I mean, I have my own personal projects that I don't even have time to work on because I'm just, I'm doing the business side of things. And really, I guess being busy is a good thing, right? It means revenue, but it also means that customers are receiving the assistance that they need. Spring is right around the corner. We're only 2 weeks away from spring. And so they're going to be bringing their cars out. They want to drop the tops. They want to drive their SLs without worrying about ABC failure. They want to actually finally be able to enjoy their car. I'm telling you guys, this is opening up a whole new opportunity for Mercedes SL owners. Coilovers are not new, but I think for Mercedes, it's kind of like a really untapped market where people were afraid to even mention that they're doing it because of the hate that you receive from Mercedes owners as to why you would destroy a Mercedes. That's what a lot of people say who don't fully understand what you gain and the reliability and the comfort and the performance of adjustable coilovers. Adjustable coilovers are not new, guys. Mercedes, even though actually Mercedes was the first production vehicle on the road, yes, do your research, they've been using coilovers. Many manufacturers have been using coilovers. Race cars utilize coilovers. So it's not as if I'm pushing something that is unheard of and so odd, so irregular that it is dangerous, unsafe, and foolish. Rather, I am creating that merger of reality and what needs to be done. I'm bringing a new dynamic to Mercedes ownership. You don't have to continue to go broke to own a Mercedes. That concept that if you can't afford it, you shouldn't buy it, that's a moot conversation. That really it's not practical. It's not reality. It's not realistic. There's a lot of people who own these cars who have the money to maintain them to choose not to. So you guys who have that disposition, I'm sorry. Kind of get out of your own way. Open your mind and acknowledge many other people's situation. That many other people have a different mindset and perspective of Mercedes ownership than you. And it doesn't make you elite or special. It doesn't make you that type of customer that you're better than anyone else. So I think a lot of that pride and arrogance comes along with such statements. Realize that Mercedes ownership is for anyone who would like to enjoy high-end, top-of-the-line German vehicle and quality and craftsmanship and engineering at this point for an affordable price. You can buy a brand new Honda Civic that will cost 4 times the amount of what a used Mercedes would cost. But this Mercedes is built way better than any Honda that's ever been produced when it comes to what I'm referring to. The quality, the luxury, the German engineering, the experience of ownership. But there's a way to be able to afford these cheaper used Mercedes. And so I'm offering that solution to those who want to enjoy and be a part of Mercedes ownership, but want to be able to afford it and also have that peace of mind and that reliability that all vehicle owners should have, no matter what make and model. So let's deal with reality, guys, and let's continue to help each other out. Let's stop being negative in these comments that oftentimes people are posting about coilover conversions being introduced into a Mercedes. I'm here to deal with reality, and I'm here to really help people, not just act like it or act like I'm smarter than anyone else. All right, guys, continue to love, support the channel. Go to Element Autoworks on YouTube. Also, my website, www.goelementautoworks.com. Instagram, widebodycl55. You can contact me directly, area code 513-967-8079. You can call me or text me. Let's talk business. Let's talk shop. Take care, guys.